Yes, that was a failed plating. The quantity was much bigger than the bowl. It's because I can't help myself, it's just delicious. This is a simple and almost instant sinigang na isda. It is salmon or salmon tonight. Join me and I'll walk you through the simple steps, very simple steps of preparing this instant salmon sinigang. Enjoy our short video.
You're watching Channel 1 and this is the Pinoy food series. Let's join Romelo and his small kitchen.
Since this is a simple recipe, this will be short, extremely short, and no fancy camera effects this time. Very basic. But I hope you still enjoy it. Our voiceover will now tell us the ingredients.
It's off-season cooking. Most of our ingredients are frozen. Frozen salmon or salmon, ginger and onion, frozen tomato, frozen pechay. Don't forget the salt and as an option, fish sauce.
Voiceover, you forgot something. Our voiceover forgot the tamarind flavoring plus the green chilies as an option. Also frozen. Because of the frozen ingredients we're using, this seems like instant cooking and it's much easier.
What's easier than boiling water? If you want it quicker, use water from the thermos bottle or use hot water. Add all the spices and just boil. Nothing is easier than this.
I'm not feeling well, that's why I put more ingredients. I put more onion and ginger than usual for the healing properties of the spices. Yes, this is not just a soothing and feeling, but healing recipe after all. Yes, every time you have a sore throat or not feeling well, medyo trangkaso ng konti, you feel favorite sinigang. Extra sour and extra spicy gives you that better feeling afterwards. So, if you're not feeling well, like me, go on then. It's now boiling, but we have to let this boil for around 10 minutes to extract all the flavors of the spices, especially the ginger. The ginger diminishes the undesired smell and flavor of the fish. So we need that.
I learned this technique to avoid an accident of putting more than required salt. You always have something to catch it.
It's now boiling and it's time to put the rest of the ingredients. Note that generally if we cook fresh fish, if we put the fresh fish first and then when it boils, we add the veggies. But for our case now, everything is frozen, so we put them together at the same time. That was almost a culinary anomaly. That was a departure from tradition. Huwag kayong magagalit, mga nanay and mga cook dyan. But this is how to deal with frozen ingredients. I even forgot the pangasim.
Before we forget, we add the pangasim and the peppers now.
If you're new to this channel, this is more than just a cooking tutorial. Channel 1 is a growing and cooking channel. We show you fun at the kitchen, not just the how-tos, but the principles of each dish. I hope you enjoy our videos and that you consider subscribing. Ibida natin ang pagkain natin sa buong mundo. As Let's share it to the world.
And to enhance the flavor, this magic sauce, fish sauce or patis. I told you it's quick and easy, it's not cooked. Let's turn it off and time to serve.
Extremely simple and quick off-season sinigang. Sarap, soothing really, and healing. No excuses for not being able to do it because it's off-season. You can do it anytime and anywhere. Gawa na, huwag nang mainggit. If you enjoyed watching, don't forget to subscribe, and I hope to have you again next time on our other videos. Your Kuya Uncle here in Holland, from Pangasinan, cooking and growing in Holland. Joseph Buddy. Let me just share my afterthought on not following the standard procedure of putting first the fish, then followed by the vegetables. I could taste the difference, really. I could taste the difference. Alternatively, I could have done it this way to follow the procedure. What we did is to put them all at the same time because our rationale was that they were all frozen. We could have done it this way. First, put the fish, let it boil until it's cooked, and when it's cooked, remove it from the pot to avoid overcooking it, and then place the vegetables. Let them boil until they're done and return the fish. In that way, we have followed the standard procedure of putting first the fish. That's an option. Let's continue editing.